Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from page 3 in Microsoft Word. And trust me, once you understand the steps, it becomes incredibly easy. So let's take it nice and slow. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Take a moment to scroll through and decide exactly where you want your page numbering to begin. In this case, we want the numbering to start from page 3. So place your cursor right at the very start of page 3, right at the top before any text. Now, look at the top of your screen and click on the Layout tab. Once the Layout menu opens, find the option labeled Breaks. Go ahead and click on it. Under the Section Breaks area, choose Next Page. This creates a brand new section starting from page 3, and that's exactly what we need. Great job. Next, we're going to insert our page numbers. Double-click anywhere at the top of the page to open the Header and Footer tools. Once the header area opens, you'll notice an option that says Link to Previous. This is important. Click it once to turn it off. When the link is disabled, pages 1 and 2 will no longer share the same header or footer as page 3. Perfect. Now let's insert the actual page numbers. Look for the page number option. Yours might be on the left or the right, depending on your Word version. Click it and choose whether you want your page numbers at the top of the page or at the bottom. For this demonstration, I'll choose Top of Page. A list of number styles will appear. Select any layout you prefer. I'll go ahead with the second layout. Once you click it, Word will instantly apply the page numbers. You'll notice that page 3 now shows the number 3, and the first 2 pages still remain clean, with no numbers at all. But we're not done just yet. We want the numbering to start from page 1, even though we're physically on page 3. So let's fix that. Go back to the Page Number dropdown, and this time choose Format Page Numbers. A small dialog box will appear. Look for the option that says Start At and change the value to 1. Click OK. And that's it. Page 3 is now labeled as page 1, and the numbering continues correctly from there. You've successfully started page numbering from page 3, and you did it the proper clean way using section breaks. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more easy and powerful tips right here on Zimist Coded. See you in the next one.